everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make jagaimono nori cheese yaki. This is basically hash brown, but I'm Japanizing it by adding some nori seaweed flakes. Very easy to make, but delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this jagaimono nori cheese yaki. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 or 3 potatoes depending on the size. Some shredded mozzarella as much as you like. Salt and pepper and nori seaweed flakes. Let's peel and shred the potatoes. If there is any eyes like this, remove it using the heel of the knife. I'm using mandolin to shred it, but if you are using knife, make very thin slices then into very thin strips. But it's much easier and faster with mandolin. Let's put some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. Give it a mix. Leave it for 5 minutes or so until it's wilted. Left for 5 minutes. And potatoes are wilted and softer. Add shredded mozzarella and nori seaweed flakes, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Give it a good mix. Okay, it's time to cook it. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat, and let's add the potato mixture. Flatten and press down. on and cook until the bottom side is nicely browned. I cooked it for 7 to 8 minutes. Let's check the color of the bottom. It's nicely browned. I'm going to slide it out on the lid, then back into the frying pan upside down. Make sure it's not sticking to the frying pan. Slide it out. Frying pan like this and flip it over. Press it down. And cook the bottom side until it's nicely browned, this time with the lid off. The bottom side has been cooked for 8 minutes or so too, and it's nicely browned. Let's take it out and cut. Let's serve on the plate. And jagaimono nori cheese yaki is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so crispy on the outside, fluffy and cheesy inside. The flavor of our nori seaweed flakes adds nice accent to it, and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Jagaimono nori cheese yaki is a side, so let's put it here, and some sort of pickles, either homemade or store-bought for the other one. Plain rice here, and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the main, but how about enoki tsukune, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!